Well, I've been part of the Freedom Club now actually since, I want to say it was February of 2018 that officially occurred. And my success story really dates back to starting sometime in 2017. And so I'll give the short version. Found Carl's podcast in probably, I want to say January, February of 2017. I had just moved back to the States from Europe, and I had a strong desire to build a foundation for my family. I was getting married in April. I didn't have a job. I didn't have a career. I had been in mortgage years before, and nobody wanted to give me an opportunity because I was a broker, and there was a lot of that. This was before brokers are better kind of thing, so it was still a negative connotation. Nobody wanted to give me an opportunity, and I had most recently been working in full-time ministry, so it was very tough to break back in. I found Carl's podcast. I found some of y'all's information online, and I just started to live it and follow it. And I started working for a company, Waterstone Mortgage, in fact. There was a guy that brought me in. It was a really cool thing. He brought me in to basically be his loan partner, LOA, in-house loan officer. Paid me a salary for the first 6 months, get my feet under me. And his branch manager, so he was a sales manager, his branch manager was a Freedom Club member at the time. So he shared a lot of those resources with me. And I just started to put the practices of the DSP in place. And then we eventually separated, went our separate ways just for various reasons. And I started working with a company that was very deeply ingrained with Scotty and Carl and the whole group. And they provided weekly group coaching. So that was cool. Got to get a taste of things. Met some awesome folks like Paul Dolan and some other members of the club. And my wife and I eventually came to the 3-day event in February 2018. And I'll tell you, that was a life-changing weekend because we had been having some struggles getting our feet under us. I was doing, I don't know, somewhere between 3 and 5 transactions a month. And that was a lot from zero, when I first started. But 3 to 5 transactions a month, but I have a vision, to do a lot more than that and serve people in a certain way. And so anyway, Natalie and I came, and we just saw the genuine nature of Carl and Tammy and the whole group, and we said, you know what, this is a family we want to be a part of. Let's sign up. And we did, and we've been doing coaching since then. We have built relationships that are just so valuable, far more valuable than the cost to be involved in the mortgage marketing animals, the Freedom Club. We have access to friendships and relationships that help us to grow. My production has, I guess, quadrupled in that 2.5-year period of time that we've been part of the club, and it continues to grow. Not without challenges, of course, but without you guys, I would not have had any clue how to build a team the right way or to build faster and go further than I thought I could. So yeah, our production is going really well. This year we're actually sticking with probably about an 80-20 mix of purchase to refi. And I was a refi guy years ago, so that's a big testament to the DSP and running the plays. We got the playbook, we're just running the plays. And so I'm just thankful for this group, really thankful for Carl, Tammy, Scotty, the whole crew, all of the friendships that I've built. And we are family, and we appreciate you guys. So that's my quick story.